Rawya is an up-and-coming interior designer and sketch artist, but if you want to hire her, you'll have to pay her in cash. That's the way she handles all of her financial transactions. Despite earning her own income for several years, she refuses to have a bank account.
I don't have a good relationship with banks. I don't have a good idea about banks. Banks always scare me. I always feel like probably they're making the profit, not me.
It's one of the concerns that may explain why only 10% of Egyptians have a bank account. With a population above 80 million, Egypt is a lucrative market. But cash remains king, mortgages are almost non-existent, and the bulk of the economy is undocumented. It's only after competition from international banks which entered the Egyptian market over the past few years that local banks have started rolling out personal banking products. Central bank regulations didn't make it easy for banks to spread geographically across the country, and the products on offer remain quite limited.
Most banks are not offering insurance products. They're not offering in many cases, long-term savings products. Mortgage and insurance particularly, or mortgages I should say, it's a key element that would really shake up in a positive sense the banking sector.
Developing the financial sector is not just about increasing the number of people with bank accounts. Expanding the use of electronic payments, or what's referred to as digital currency, is also an indicator of economic advancement. But here in Egypt, almost 90% of consumers choose cash as their preferred way of payment. Such figures not only mean the country is lagging behind global standards, but also behind other emerging markets where the transfer of funds happens at the speed of a click.
It also helps the transparency of an economy. Transparency means that it is registered electronically. The government can see that the transaction, where it's happening, when it is happening, and therefore can tax more efficiently.
This is not only about the rich and privileged, it's about nearly $400 billion that lurks outside the financial sector. Economists say integrating Egypt's informal economy to the legal and financial system can unleash capital hundreds of times bigger than foreign investment and aid. Rageh, Al Jazeera, Cairo.